What's up, YouTube? It's Ebony back with another video. So today I wanted to do a how I straighten my hair video from my natural hair to straight, I guess. So first, I'm showing y'all where did I come from. I took out some twists that I had them for about a couple weeks, and then this is how I got my hair straight. So first, boom, I detangled my hair. It was so freaking hard because I did have edge control between every little braid. So, and then I shampooed it with the Argon Oil Shampoo, conditioning with the Suavve Naturals, and then did the deep conditioning with the 3-Minute Miracle. And then this is before I put the deep conditioner in my hair. So I'm just showing y'all what kind of texture that I have is none. I have no curls in the front, like literally. So now I'm just putting that conditioner all through my hair, that deep conditioner. I'm gonna let that sit while I do my makeup and put on my clothes. And as I'm detangling, you know, I'm losing a lot of hair. Well, I'm shedding a lot of hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do the step for all 4 sections of my hair. And I'm just going to keep it in fast mode so you don't get bored. And this is how it came out. 4 little pigtails. That's going to go under a plastic bag to finish deep conditioning. And this is how it is after I finish deep conditioning. I put on some clothes and some makeup. Now, next step is drying my hair. Okay. So put them back in that 4 sections because my hair is too thick to knot. And this is a this is a Revlon blow dryer as well. I think I got it from like Walmart. And y'all, it get real hot, so and right here I'm changing it to cool. Once I'm done with blow drying my hair, I like to put the setting on cool and go around my hair. This is to close my cuticles. One thing I really like doing after I wash out my conditioner, I wash it out with cold water, and that also closes your cuticles. And if I don't do that, I did notice that my hair is a little, I don't know, it's a little weighed down if I don't do these steps. So now I'm going in with my flat iron. This is the Baby Bliss. Yep, Baby Bliss flat iron that I got off of, I want to say Wayfair, for like $89. And I love this flat iron. So I'm only going over my hair once because that's really all I need, since I did a really good job blow drying it. And I used the chase method, of course, with the brush at the end. And I set my flat iron on the highest. I know I don't really care, but I set it on 350. And it only takes me about 25 minutes to straighten my hair, just going over it one time. And I do the front of my hair the same exact way. I just parted my middle part of how I want my hair to lay. And this is the final result. My ends are still in good condition. And I'll see you guys in my next video.